So, hello everyone. Now I come with another video, but today's video is quite different from the other videos. I don't want to show you any cooking videos, but now I would like to share you the moment of bliss, the moment of joy that quite different from cooking. So I would like to do unboxing video. And the one that I would like to unboxing for now is, could you guess what I would like to unboxing for now? So actually, last month I just bought this thing from the overseas, and I really excited to wait come to my house, and yeah, it just has come and I would like to unboxing today. Yeah, ta-da! Can you guess what is it? So yeah, we would like to unboxing an album. So I just bought this album last month, and I bought Stray Kids album because the reason why I bought this album is I love all of the songs in the album. All of the songs are lead, so I would like to talking with you while I open this package. Yeah, it's also well packaged because I buy straight from Korea by Shopee, and it came really fast. It just only took 1 week, I guess, 1 until 2 weeks. Oh my god, it is so hard. Yeah, back to the song. Their song in this album is are solid. I love all of the tracks in their album, Ordinary album. Not only the Maniac one, but also the B-side track is also good. The one that I would like beside Maniac is Lonely, Charmer, and I guess all of the songs. I love all of the songs in the album. Uh, Muddy Water juga bagus tuh, Muddy Waters. So here's what I got from the package. Let me show you. First I got, I guess this is the gift applaud. And then I got brochures from the shop from because I bought this album from 6th Street. So actually there are so many versions of this album. The one that I bought it is Frankenstein versions, but the other versions are like the standard one are scanning and mask off, I guess. And each version has their own price, especially for the Frankenstein's limited edition. This one that I bought, it's quite affordable rather than the others. So it keeps going down. So I choose the affordable one. Anyway, it all the same, right? For the standard version is quite expensive, especially the one that has lucky draw event. It can cost probably until 700,000 rupiah. Could you please? Yeah, let's see what we got. Wow. It comes with some photo cards. The one that I got here is Sungmin. Yes, I actually love Sungmin's. And also in the magnet one. I heard that the Frankenstein editions it come with two bonus cards because the quality of the cards in the album is not that good. So yeah, I got Lino's and also Sungman. So let's reopen the albums. Oh my god, this is the one that I wait for. Ordinary albums. No wonder it comes to number 1 of 2000 charts in Billboard because all of the songs in the album is so lit and I really love all the songs even though it's quite different from the previous songs that they had in the previous album. It's not quite loud like Tenderness and also God's Menu, but they never failed the rap one because I also love rap and also quite love music, so I guess Stray Kids music is compatible with my taste of music. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Stray kids everywhere, all around the world. You make stray kids taste. Yeah, let's reopen it together. Gimana ya bukanya nih? Yeah, stray kids. Yeah, yeah, it really has a nice box. Top one. So let me open the photo card book first. It comes with the gray color Stray Kids. Yeah, I guess this is it comes to Ordinary. It's really well printed. Yeah, that's them Stray Kids. I really love the concept. Maniac one. This is Changbin. Bangchan, sorry. Bangchan, the leaders. Yeah, he comes so good in this foil card album. This is also Bangchan. So we got some versions of photos of each member, I guess. This one is Lino with her purple hair. I really love the concept of screw that building in their head. It really looks like Maniac. This is Changbin, our rap monsters of Stray Kids. Changbin. And the one that also I love from this boy band Stray Kids because they also do self-produced songs. Jadi mereka bikin lagunya sendiri and it's quite good because they produce all of hit songs like God's Menu, Tenderness, Backdoors, Mirror, and this one is the Maniac one, the Maniac albums one. And all of the songs are super lit and has so many different genre like Lonely, it's quite a bit rock music. Maniac, like electro dance music. And also Changbin, Timid. Yes, this is Sungmin and Hyunjin. They have already grown up, and actually, Hyunjin has a good expression in this concept. This is Han, Jisung, and also Felix. Han and Felix never failed any performance, especially for rap. Come to Han. I really love Han's rap, especially uh, in a Freeze, if I'm not mistaken, and also Venom. He really nails the music. This is still hand. We come to Velix. Yeah, it's really good photos. Stray Kids, this is Sangmin. We come to the magnet and they really put so much attentions in every details, not only in their song, performance, music, photo concept. He comes nice, come out with this 4 knuckles. Have I already seen Hyunjin? Is there any Hyunjin here? Or I skipped the Hyunjin ones? Because I guess I don't see any Hyunjin this book alone. Where is Hyunjin? Oh, that's one. I think I skipped him. Yeah, it really comes so good. Hyunjin. It's like a bit of Venom and also Maniac. Yeah, it's really good. And what we got here, so we also got photographs. So like what I already told you before, because the quality of the card is not good, so they gave us a bonus card before the card that we got three cards: Sangmin, Lino, and we got Sangmin and Lino, Felix and Lino. So I get so many Linos here, and also Sangmin and Bangchan, and Sangmin, Hyunjin. Finally, I got Hyunjin one. I got a Felix. So I guess I got a lot of members, except for Han. I don't have any Han in this photograph. That's kind of sad. At least I have one here. Yeah, there also Changbin. Really, there's no Han. Where is Han? It really doesn't have any Han here. Oh my god. So let's keep it. So we also got a sticker. Maniac stickers. And we also got this limited editions. What makes it different with the other version is we got pop-up for the card, like, are you ready to play with Stray Kids? Yeah, it's nice. 8 of them. Stray kid photographs. And we also have this one. Magnet on top. Got in with fox in, puppy, Felix with chicken, Han. Yeah, for the standard one, they would not give us this photo card like this because it just come out in the Frankenstein versions. And this one is the lyrics. But I guess I only will keep it because so, yeah, I got Felix, another Felix, and this is the CD. It has a green color on it. USA. I actually quite pleased with this album, and I'm going to keep it. So at least it's one of support that I can give to Stray Kids because they deserve to it. All of the song is super lit and I really love their songs. So I decided to buy this album. And it also comes so good. It's not that expensive or even cheap, but the only thing I said is because I don't have single of hand photo here, but that's okay. I think it's kind of a treasure that we should look for it later on the next album. Yeah, that's all about this album of Stray Kids. Hope you enjoy my unboxing video. Stray Kids.